Hi, this is a quick screencast to show you how you can see marks and feedback in PebblePad. Now, it's quite likely or quite normal that your marks and feedback will go into Blackboard Grade Center, and you will be able to see your marks and feedback through the My Grades tab within Blackboard. So even though your assessment has been in PebblePad, you will see your marks and your feedback in Blackboard as normal. Now, in addition to that, you will also be able to see marks and feedback inside PebblePad itself, and that's what I'm going to go through now. So I'm going to go to my asset star. So if I click on the burger menu in the top left hand side, I'm going to go to my asset star. You can see my assets here. The assessment I've submitted is here to my workspace. Here you can see that it's submitted, and this is where I will go to see the marks and feedback put on my piece of work. And it's quite possible when the marks and feedback get released that you will also be able to see that in an email that you'll get from PebblePad that will be generated. So let's now look at the same thing, but after marks and feedback have been added. So now here I am back at my PebblePad homepage. I've been notified that my marks and feedback are available. And now if I click on my burger menu, because I'm going to go back to my asset star, I'm going to go to my assets. And you can see I've got my piece of work here that was submitted. And you can now see that this box here is highlighted with a 2 next to it. And if I click on that, it will open and it will show me my feedback that I have. So the assessor is here. It's got the time and the date that it got marked. They're the comments that have been added. Obviously this is an example. It's quite likely that you may have an attached marking grid or something like that to look at there and in more detail. So you'll be able to see that feedback there. And then down here, I can see that it's been graded and it's giving me the graded score. Now, it's also possible to view your grade in the Atlas workspace as well. So I will just show you how you can check that from your Blackboard site. So here I am in the Blackboard module site. So I've gone into Blackboard, I've gone to the module site where my work is, and I've gone to where the PebblePad links are. It's probably in the assessment tab or something similar for you. I've got my link that took me obviously to my PebblePad account, and I've also got this Atlas link down here. Now it's by clicking on that link that it will take you to where you need to go. So, 1 second. So the page has opened, and now here I am in my Atlas, in the Atlas site for the module, and I can see here my submission. I'd be able to have a look at it, and I can see here the grade, and I can see that there's feedback on there as well, and that's what it looks like inside Atlas. So there are a few different places where you can see, other than, like I say, the My Grades in Blackboard, where you'll be able to see grades and feedback once they've been released. Now, I hope you found this helpful, and thank you for watching and listening.